I still remember the day in my early 20s when I had just completed my masters and I was ready to step into the journalism world. In college, I didn't care about my looks, specifically beard. And that attitude continued even when I was preparing for my first ever interview. Dressed sharply in an iron shirt, looking confident as I combed my hair. I stopped as I inspected the reflection in the mirror. The stubble is noticeably overgrown. I saw the bathroom counter where I saw a classic shaving cream, a traditional razor, and a bottle of aftershave. I glanced at them and then at my watch. No time, absolutely no time for the whole ritual. A quick trip to salon was also not an option. At that moment, standing there, I wished कि कोई ऐसा शेवर होता जो फटाफट काम कर देता. Well, that was 15 years ago, and trust me, things have changed a lot. Because now we have Philips shavers, more affordable, more powerful, and readily available. Not only do we have shavers now, we have the ones that have AI in it. Not only do we have shavers now, we have the ones that have AI in it. Surprised? Good, because I am talking about the Philips I9000, the shaver that genuinely does the thinking for you. Every face is different. Every skin type, dry, oily, sensitive, is unique. So how can your shaver be one size fits all? The secret spice is SkinIQ. Philips claim करता है that this AI powered SkinIQ technology आपकी स्किन टाइप और फेस को सेंस करके कंफर्टेबल और प्रिसिशन के साथ एक शेव देता है. This shaver is packed with a power up sensor, a motion control sensor, and an hydro skin glide coating. This senses your shaving needs, including the density of your hair, 500 times per second. Now let me explain the triple action lift and cut system. The shaver lifts and cuts the hair with skin level closeness. This happens due to its 360-degree flexing compact head. शेवर के अंदर आपको मिलेंगे 300-degree rotating dual steel precision blades that catch hair growing in any direction. This delivers an efficient shave whether you're talking about 1, 3 or even 7-day beard. Now speaking of precision, the efficiency of your shave is further improved with the use of the app. Honestly, you practically let the shaver do all the work for you. It's like having a personal barber in your home. और पता है सबसे अच्छी बात क्या है? Shave as needed, wet or dry. You don't need a foam. You can even shave while you are moving. Philips says that the shaver can give you up to 50 minutes of cordless shaving on a single charge. But एक छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम है. First few shaves could cause a little redness, but it's completely normal. वो इसलिए क्योंकि shaver is learning its way around your face and your skin, adapting to those incredible steel precision blades. Also, there's a handy pop-up trimmer to give you your mustache or sideburns that extra definition when needed. So, what are you waiting for? Tell us what you like the most about this shaver. Like and subscribe to our channel for more such tech videos.